Ever feel like your business is stuck in the no zone? People know you exist, maybe even like you, but crickets chirp when it comes to buying? Today, we're going to unveil the 3 pieces you need to turn curious onlookers into customers. 90% or more of people aren't ready to buy when they first learn about your business. And if you want to be their choice when they are ready, you need to master the 3 C's of marketing: connections, conversations, and conversions. Imagine someone stumbling into a dimly lit store. Confusion reigns, and buying? Forget it! To make a connection, you need to turn the lights on so people clearly know who you serve, what you offer, the value you provide, and what step to take next. There should be no debate about who you are and how you can help. Clear messaging forms the basis of building an authentic connection. Website visitors leave because of unclear messaging, so don't let your business be part of this statistic. For example, a struggling freelancer might provide clarity and greater connection by ditching generic copywriting services. A headline that speaks directly to their ideal client might say, "Stop getting lost in a crowded marketplace. I'll help you tell your story in a way that stands out from the crowd." From somewhat confusing to instant connection. You've grabbed attention and made a connection. Now it's time to use conversations to nurture those connections and move your audience toward action. You can start conversations by sharing valuable content through social channels, blog posts, emails, even podcasts. These are all ways you can engage in a conversation. Answer questions, share advice, provide inspiration. The key is to show you're not just here to sell, but to support. When working in crafts, we showed finished projects, which inspired purchases of the related products, including the exact fabric that was used on the project, even if that wasn't intended to be sold. And we often showed mistakes our teams made while making a project, and provided tips on how to solve them if it happened to our audience. A great way to build relationships. Consumers want brands or businesses to treat them like humans, not just numbers. And a study I heard about on the radio the other day said that customers who use self-checkouts are less loyal to the brand or store. So be human, be approachable, and watch those connections flourish. You've connected with your audience, built a relationship through authentic connections, and now it's time for the final piece: conversions. Make taking the next step a no-brainer for your audience with clear call to actions, introductory offers, and a frictionless online experience. Remember, it's about adding value, not pressuring people into taking the next step. A fitness coach might offer a free mini-series of desk stretches, followed by a discounted intro month for their online classes. An easy first step, followed by an irresistible value proposition. 70% of buying decisions are now being made online before anyone interacts with a person in your company. So streamline your online process, make taking the next step a no-brainer, and watch those conversions climb. Ready to harness the power of the 3 C's and craft crystal clear messaging that speaks your audience's language? Build conversations that nurture leads and forge deeper connections. Make taking the next step a breeze with irresistible offers and a frictionless online experience? Then don't wait. Follow me. Or better yet, subscribe to my email newsletter. There's a link in the description where we'll be tackling these subjects and more. Together, let's simplify marketing so you can amplify your impact. Want more marketing tips? Watch one of these 2 videos now.